Hello. So welcome back for the remaining of this exercise, the assignment. All right, so we're gonna quickly go over and finish this last worksheet. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm just going to copy the format from the other sheets. Okay, so we could have this part done. Right, so I'll just go and open the previous tabs. Right, so I believe we copy this, and I want to copy this also. Right, I'm not sure which one I copied. Okay, that is done and that's done. Okay, so all we need is just the color, right? Red, right? So now let's come to the option, to the directions here. So the monthly sales tab, right? So we are there. So we want to add the word total to these places. Okay, B19, which is here, right? We are told to put total there. Where K19, right? Word total B19, B34, B49. Okay, so here total. Okay, and let's go down also, total right there. Okay, so what else? K6, K21, K36. Okay, so K6 will be here, total. K21 will be here, and K36, right, will be also here. Okay, so we want to add total there. What else do we need to do after we add the total? It says use the name box. Okay, good. Select K7 to K18 and control. Okay, so let's go K7, okay, to K18. Oops. K7 to K18, right? And K22 to K33. So let's do this, and to K33. Oops. Right there. Okay, oops. Okay, so I'm just holding control and holding control and click and drag all the way down, right? And then what do we need to do here? Oops. Okay, click on auto sum. Okay, right there it says click on auto sum. So let's come back here, and this is auto sum over there, auto sum, right? And we get the auto sum for all of it. Okay, so if I want to make sure what this is doing, I'm just going to double click. It's telling me, okay, it just added all of this, which is very good. Let me double click. Very good. So just do a random check. Okay, it's here, random check. Okay, very good. So it looks like you got it, like quickly, simply, boom, bada boom. All right, so now what we need to do is to select C19 to K19. So this is C19 to K19. So I'm just gonna hold the control and go all the way to K19, which is right there. Okay, and do auto sum also. So I'm gonna do it separately, one by one. Okay. Okay, it doesn't like that, so I'll just do it, and I just use the fill handle, right, like this. So double click just to double check. Okay, just random checks. Very good. Okay, so now going down here, gonna do the same thing. Auto sum, enter. Okay, go to the fill handle and drag all the way, and it's going to add all of these columns right there to the last one. Auto sum, right, enter, and right there. Very, very good. Okay, all right, so I think we got it. This is what day 49, the K49. All right, we got that. So now A4 to K4. So A4 to K4, okay, and use the style heading one. Okay, I think I already got that. I copied it from the other place, right? So it was the same style. So heading one, boom. Okay, and then C7 to K19. So this is C7 right here to all the way to K19, all the way here. What we want to do is, let's go to the number options right there, and we're gonna go with number. It says to do number and then 0 decimal points. Okay, so no decimal points. You use the 1000 separator and then negative minus, yeah, right there. Okay, so nicely done. Okay, so it's asking us to do the same thing for C22 and to K34 and the other one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and use the format painter and all the way, boom, right, and use the format painter and all the way right there. All right, so nice. So what else we have now? Okay, we did this, we did that. Okay, now build in table style, right? So build in table style, so styles group. Okay, B6 to K19. Where is B6? B6 to K19, right there. Okay, so it says to go to the styles group and format as table. Okay, styles group, format as table, right there. And oops, let's, it's just a game and I need you to learn. So like I was saying, we are going to go ahead and use okay, so he says go to the cell style. Okay, so let me see which table style medium 2. All right, right there. So oops, table style medium 2 blue. Okay, all right, so let me come back here and go here. Oops, format as table. Let's look for table style medium blue, table style medium, okay, table style medium 2 right there. Okay, and this is medium, so let's click on it. My table has a header, and it does, right, and okay, oh, that's not what I wanted, so I'm just gonna go Control Z and remove that. Go medium and just press OK. Okay, it's supposed to be B6. Oh, okay. All right. B6. Okay. Oh. And my table has a header, right? And use that. Very good. Basic table tab. Okay. So basic. Oh, and filter button right there. Right. Okay. Add a conditional format. Okay, with the highlight rules and stuff. Okay. So what I could do is first of all, this is something I could do here. I don't know where it's asking us to do that, but you know what, I'll just leave that until they ask us to do it. Alright, so let's jump to the conditional formatting. K7 18 K7 to K18. Where's K7? K7 right here. Right, it's a K18, which is this here. Right, so home tab. Let's go to the home tab. Let's go to conditional formatting. Right there. Okay, let's go to data bars. Okay, let's go to the purple. Where is the purple? Is this purple right there? Okay, purple. Okay, why is this purple and this is pink? Okay, alright, so I go here. Alright, and C7 J18. C7. Alright, oops. C7 J18 right there. We want to do light blue data bars, right? Light blue data bars. So let's go here. Data bar, light blue. Is this light blue? Light blue data bars right there. Okay, cool. All right, keep on going. C7, type 600. Enter, undo. What is this? Okay, where is C7? C7, right? This is the type 600 here, and press enter. Okay, so it's just showing that when you type a different number, the conditional formatting just gets like reacts. Okay, so just as if I like how I put 600, if I put 0 also, you're gonna notice that the whole thing will be empty, right? So these data bars will react to like dynamically to the number that's here. So I'm just going to go Control Z twice, right, to go back to that 288 that was there. Okay, so say to do the same thing for 2009. Okay, and by using Format Painter. Okay, so I'll let you guys do that. Hide the worksheet row. Okay, so this hiding thing is just so let's go ahead and format this. It's not telling us to, but I'll just format it because I know it's supposed to, but it's not included. And I will use the same rotate up. Okay, give it a couple of notches right there, 16, and then give it a color blue accent 1. Right, trying to get the same color that's on the right. I think that's the same color here, and the writing, make the writing white. Okay, and maybe put it bold. It's looking good, right? So Now what else do we need here? Okay, so hiding the rows. Okay, so right click, hide. So row 6 to row 19. So row 6 to row 19. Okay, so right click, hide it. Okay, it's gone. How do we know it's hidden? See, number 5, 20. Okay, so it's somewhere in between here, right? So select the row above and below hidden cell and unhide. Okay, so I'm gonna click here and click here and right click and unhide right there. So it's just teaching you how to hide and unhide cells or rows or columns, and same thing goes this also in this area. So I could hide the whole column, right? And I could unhide also, right? Select the column before blah blah blah. Okay, unhide. Okay. Okay, we are back. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So we did this hiding and unhiding. All right, so we got this. So let's insert a print title, set print area, and insert page break. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? So page layout view. So let's go to view. Okay, and page layout view right there. Okay, so this is how we could get it. This is one way of getting the page layout view. Another way to get the page layout view also is this here. This is a page layout view right there. Okay, and that's a page break view, okay, which we're gonna need later. And this is a normal view. Okay, so and you can have it under view also, normal view, page break view, and page layout view. Okay, so it's very easy to have it down here. So let's change the view to 60%. Okay, so right there, if you want, you could just make it smaller. Okay, I mean, I already have it very small, so I don't need to go any smaller, and to allow you guys to be able to see everything that I'm doing. So I just keep it at this level, but you could go ahead and put it as smaller, so you could see everything that's going on. So I could just go ahead and copy this and format, oops, and go to home, use the format painter and format all of this, right? Click on the format painter again and format all of this, right? So this is cool, like easy peasy. All right, so here now what we need to do is to change the orientation. Okay, so page layout and orientation, we need to go to landscape. Okay, so before I change this the orientation, I just want to show you this is what we're trying to do. So when you go and print, this is actually, before you hit print, this is the print preview. So this actually shows you how this is going to look like when you print it. Okay, so right now when we print, this is what is going to show, and it's not going to show it in one page, it's going to show it in 2 pages, and the other page will have this little thing here, right? So we don't want to have 3 pages, okay, or 4 pages. Actually it has 4 pages, so this is like a complete mess. Okay, ultimately what we want to do, we want to have 3 pages, 1 page with this here, another page with this, and another page with this. Okay, now the reason we have these pages here, okay, this means that this paper is not enough to cover this whole thing. So this is why we are going to take this paper and we are going to shift it, okay, the long way or the wide way. This is the long way, the wide way, so it could be wide. So that's or the orientation will be landscape. So how we're going to do that, go to page layout, orientation, and click on landscape right there. Okay, now we did that, nothing changes here, right? It only changed in the print preview area. So here now we should have less pages. See, now we have 2 pages, okay, because these parts here that was on a different page, now we get them, we get the whole thing on 1 page. And okay, but now the whole thing doesn't fit in 1 page, so we have 2 pages, which is fine. Okay, at the end of the day we want 3 pages anyway. So let's go back here, and so how are we going to fix this? So we went to page print preview already, so now we want to do page break. So it says to select A20. Where is A20? Okay, so here, so basically we want a page break here, right? And we want a page break here also. Okay, so I could, as you look at this on a normal view, you could already see these breaks. These are kind of the page breaks really. Okay, and how do I know? Let's go to page break preview right there. When I click on it, see, I can see the break right here, and I can see another break right there. Okay, so right now, as of now, we only have 2 pages, page 1 right there and page 2. What we want to do is have page 1, page 2, and page 3. So I'm going to click here, okay, and we are going to go to break, insert page break. Boom, right there. Okay, so we have 1 page break there. We're going to click on this next area here, and let's insert another page break right there. So we have 2 pages. So we have page 1, page 2, page 3. Now let's go to preview again. Now we have, see, 1 page, okay, 2 and 3. But now if you notice, page 2 and page 3 do not have titles. So if you give somebody this page 2 and 3 separately, they won't know what they're looking at. Okay, so we will do something to make sure the title shows. So let's go ahead and do that. So we added the page breaks already, so we are going to set up the print title. So this is the title here. Okay, so we need to tell the printer or Excel how to repeat this title 3 times. So let me go to normal view, okay, and I will go to print title right here. Okay, so first we have the print area, okay, and we have the print title. Okay, so let's go to print title. I mean, I could set the print area, which will print the whole thing. Let's set the print area. So I'm gonna just print this whole thing all the way here, right? So press enter, right? And here, what row do we need to repeat? So right there, and we need to repeat this, all this, right? Okay, so, and I'm gonna just press enter. Okay, so right there we got it, right? Repeat that left. Okay, so let me go ahead and press enter or click OK, and let's go and preview now what's happening. What did we do? So print preview. So don't be lazy to go to print preview. That allows you to know exactly the changes you are making, what specific changes or effect they're having on your worksheet. So here, page 1, okay, that's page 2 right there, and that's page 3. See, if you notice, we still have the title nice and neat. Okay, like very cool. Okay, so we did this, we selected all. Okay, top on each page. Okay, so we did this already, so we did all of this already. So let's go to enter header and footer. Okay, so we should be done in less than 5 minutes now. All right, so header and footer. So how do you get header and footer? You have to go to okay, click on the left section of header, scroll top. All right, so it says to go to page layout, put it at 90%. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I don't want this to be too small for you guys. Scroll to the top. Okay, on the left section, the header. Oh, okay. All right, so to enter the header and footer, okay, how you enter that? You need to go to insert. Okay, you need to go to insert, and I think it's under text here is header and footer. Okay, there might be other ways to get the header and footer, but I can't really think of it right now. I thought there was a way under page layout, but I can't think of it right now. But at least you go to insert, and this is how you get there. So here you have three spots. All right, so left, center, and the right area. So what do they want us to do in the so they said to click tab twice. So this is here, so let's click tab twice so it will go to the right. Okay, and they want us to, oh okay, first we have to do something here first. So we need to click the file name. So whatever the file name is, it's going to be set here when we print. So file name right there. Oops, no, sorry, it's a file path, that's the wrong one. File name right there. Okay, and tab twice, they said, and now you go here and you put current date. So where is current date? Right there. Right, okay. So once I click away from it, you should see the date right there, and you should see the file name. Right, and let's go to footer. Now to go to footer, you could scroll down, or you could just click here. It will go to footer for you right there, and it went to the footer. Or I could have just scrolled down to this area. Okay, I could have just scrolled down, but I guess go to footer is way more convenient right there. Okay, so when you're in the footer, what you need to do is to go to the right, type page. Okay, so let's go here, we're gonna type page. Right, to the page, space, right, click on page number, right, and it said type of. Okay, I'm going to do space, put of, and do space again, click number of page, click number of page. Right, all right, so let's see what happens here if everything. Okay, page 2 of 3, very good. Right, that's fine. Okay, so the first one will say page 1 of 3, and the last one will say page 3 of 3, which is great. That's what we want. And let's go to the left section here and just type prepared by, right, and I will put my name. Okay, don't put my name, put your name. Oops, right there. Okay, so select A1. Let's go select A1. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the regular view, which is normal view. Okay, now when you're in normal view, you're not gonna see the header and the footer. Okay, if you want to see the header and footer, you always have to go to page layout view, right there. So see right there, and the name and all of that. As a matter of fact, it's, yeah, so I went to 90. Okay, because then that's where I see everything. So let me go to print preview for the last time. And okay, so I have page number 1, okay, with beautifully done with the title, right, and all of this fancy stuff, right, looking legit. Yeah, right there. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Okay. Alright. I have to take this call. So, you know what? Let me just finish this and call this person back. So, right now we could just go ahead and save. That's it. We're done. We are done. So, I don't want to save onto my file. I'm going to save it with a different name right there. So let me put this here. Okay, and yeah, right there. So save it. Cool. All right, so you're done with this assignment. You saved and you have the print preview. Now you could just go ahead and upload it and send it to me for a good grade. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a lot. Okay, it's very exciting. I mean, if you're able to do this, you have Excel on lock. All right, so I will catch you guys another time with another tutorial. Peace out.